Welcome to Ultra Blue channel, your go-to source for in-depth tech tutorial. Today, we'll guide you on how to change your password in Kali Linux. This tutorial will break down each step and explain the commands used in detail to help you securely update your password. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your support helps us to continue creating high-quality tutorials like this. Now let's get started. Keeping your password secure and updated is crucial for maintaining the security of your Kali Linux system. Changing your password regularly helps you protect your system from unauthorized access. In this tutorial, we'll use a terminal to change the user password in Kali Linux. So let's start by opening our terminal. The passwd command in Kali Linux is used to change a user's password. By default, the command will change the password for the currently logged in user. To change the password, open your terminal and type in wd. After typing this, press enter. After typing the passwd, the system will prompt you to enter your current password. This step ensures that you are authorized to change the password. Enter your current password and press enter. Note that for security reasons, the terminal will not display the characters as you type them in. So I'm going to type in my current password for this machine. Great. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. So I'm going to type in my new password for this machine. And then I'll hit enter. Retype your new password and press enter. If you encounter any errors such as mismatched between new password or if the new password does not meet the complexity requirement, you need to try again. So I'm going to hit enter, and then it says password updated successfully. Once you've successfully changed your password, it's good practice to verify the change by logging out and logging back in your new system. This ensures that your new password is working correctly and that you remember it. So let's go ahead and log out. Great, and then we log back in. Great, here, as you can see, our password, we remember our password and everything has been changed successfully. Here are a few important security tips to keep in mind when managing your password. Use a unique password for each account. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. You'll get to appreciate this more when we start cracking password in this course. So if you want to be notified once we start updating contents in which we crack password, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on the method at which we can use to crack a password. The third is to consider using a password manager to keep track of your password securely. In conclusion, changing your password in Kali Linux is a straightforward process that significantly enhances your system security. By regularly updating your password and following best practices, you can protect your data and maintain a secure environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our Ultra Blue channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your support helps us to create detailed tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.